Hey, if you don't have a smart doorknob in your house, let me show you what they look like, what they're all about, how to install it, and the benefits of having it. I really do like the nice black finish that this has on it. Looks very sharp. You will need to put 4 AA alkaline batteries in. If you have a doorknob that's already on, just simply remove that doorknob, or if you're putting up a brand new door, let's show you the install process. You're going to take the new latch, simply insert it. To put the batteries in, you're going to see that screw right inside there. Take the provided screwdriver and remove the screw. Right there is where you put the batteries. Take your 4 alkaline batteries and place them in. You're going to take and attach this piece to this side. It's going to take these, go right through and screw right into the other side. Take the screw and tighten it to the door. It's really that easy to install. I would recommend leaving this little piece of tape on until it's fully installed so you know the correct position of the doorknob. And this is the way it looks on the door. Make sure you read all the directions and program the doorknob before closing the door, because check this out. It is not unlocking the door until it gets programmed. You can see here, this is the app in which you add your device. And you can see the smart lock is being added and successfully done. This is the way the app looks. You can lock and unlock your door right from the app. You're going to see this little key in the green area down at the bottom. If I want to lock, I simply slide that over. It shows that it's locked. Now for me to unlock it with the app, I do, of course, the opposite and go to the unlocked icon. Now it shows that my door is unlocked. Well, here you can see it says fingerprint and code. This is where you add your fingerprint and your code. I already entered my fingerprint. Watch this, it will light up green, and then when I turn it, you'll see the latch actually opens. Lit up green, and now it unlocks. One of the nice things about this, the door does lock itself after, but if you don't want that and you just want to be able to enter and exit, let's say you have it on your front door, your garage door, and you just want to be able to walk back and not have to constantly put in a code, you can set it up that way too. And then, of course, if I want to put in my passcode, you see it unlocks it. And if all else fails, it does come with 2 keys. All right, want to see something really cool? I'm just going to pull this out, rotate it, and this is where I can access to put the key. Or you can actually also, it has a USB-C. You can plug that in, use your own power bank. It does not come included, but if you have a power bank, you can charge it up. You see it's already lit up and charging it. Well, there you have it. If you don't have a smart doorknob in your business, in your home, you can use it for entryway to your home, or you can use it on a special room or closet, anything that you like, that you want to make sure that only special people have access to. These things are awesome. Super easy to install, as you saw, and very easy to use. You saw the 4 ways you can open it with the key. You can open it with your fingerprint, your passcode, or you can use the app on your phone. And you can allow whoever you want to have access. You can get up to 100 different codes or fingerprints put into it. If you're looking for a nice way to keep things secure in your home, your business, check out this smart doorknob.